Greetings, I am at the Taft Bike Park. I'm going to go through this and just see if there's standing water anywhere. I think I cleared this one last time I was here, which was the first time I was here.
I apologize for the fogginess of these videos. I had a little bit of condensation on my camera and I didn't notice it until a lot later.
Yeah,
it does go away eventually.
Yeah, no, it's the jump line is good, but the wooden feature is not so much. Yeah, I don't do that. I think you can do everything except for this one wooden feature. Oh, they got a mud pit up here, but you can bypass that. Okay, sweet. Here we go. Kind of nice when there's not 100 million people here. Get an extra stroke in there. Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. Whoa! Oh yeah! This last jump is gonna be a doozy. I think I cleared them all. Woo! Take a break and do this. I'm not really sure what the signs, the gates are. You stay off my jump trail. Okay. You just stay off my jump trail. You ding-dongs. Yeah, this is super easy. However, I'm thinking that I don't want to do this because of the geese. Yeah, I don't want to do that because I don't want to drive the geese back towards the jump trail. Yeah, so there's some standing water here, but you can avoid it pretty easily. What is it with Pathfinder and their last jump? It's a challenge. It's definitely a challenge. Yeah, I still got these. Oh, yeah, I have to brake so hard because I'm going so fast. All right, the third one. It's an old Army, maybe not old, but definitely an Army style plane. There's 3 of them. There's 2 over there, and then there's that one. Okay, see if there's any more. I think that was it. Pedal in between the jumps. Big, big help. It'll also help to be, there we go. My bike is creaking. My bike is creaking. If you can get a pedal stroke in there, I cased it. Oh yeah! Keep the speed up. Nope. I'm gonna ride all the wood and see if I can get around the puddles so people can be like, oh, that's the way I need to go. I'll probably drive the geese back onto the jump thing, but I'm done with the jumps. This is identical to what is that. This, yeah, this must be that must be a trail forks. What do we, Pathfinder? It must be a Pathfinder thing, for sure. Yeah, they like the puddle right there. Look out, guys! Look out! Yep, thank you. Yeah, see, it goes right by the puddle. So yeah, people have been here when it's too muddy, but that'll smooth out as people ride it. Well, that's my farewell. Guess where my, holy cow, are you trying to be loud? Of course you are. My next stop is Bramer, and it might take me a while to get over there because of traffic. I'm going to look at that here in a second. But yeah, Taft Bike Park. That's my second trip.